Everything we know about you guys is wrong. I looked at him, and I saw myself.
This is Berk, son. It's our home. And one day, when you're all grown up, that job will be passed on to you.
All those speeches and planning and running the village, that's his thing.
No one's more surprised or more proud than I am. Today, my boy becomes a Viking. Today, he becomes one of us!
I'm not one of them. They're not what we think they are. We don't have to kill them. Toothless, stop!
You're not a Viking.
No!
You're not my son.
If you ever want to get out there to fight dragons, you need to stop all this.
Every time you step outside, disaster falls.
Is this some kind of a joke to you? Our parents' war is about to become ours.
Boy, I
Figure
knew
out
what I
which
was,
side.
what I had to become. Hiccup, not that boy.
For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
And you want to keep it a secret? To protect your pet dragon? Are you serious?
Yes.
Dragon Master, the son of Stoic the Vast.
Toothless, no! Toothless!
Son! I'm sorry for everything.
Yeah, me too.
I'm proud to call you my son.
I'm sorry, Dad. Made you do. I'm not the chief that you wanted me to be. You'd never hurt him. You'd never hurt me. He's challenging the Alpha to protect you. The Alpha protects them all.
You tried this once before. He didn't want it.
Well, he's my best bud. I want him to be happy.
Now that's a king.
I am the Night Fury Killer. I've hunted every last one but yours. They don't have a leader. You are nothing without your dragon.
A boy.
It's okay, bud. You belong with her.
Well, your father knew of me. Now, there was a chief. What would he think of you?
He changed his mind.
Look where that got him.
I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted. Save him. I didn't think about what you needed.
Thank you for saving my son.
It's okay. I love you too. And I want you to be free.